Hello everyone, how is it going today? Welcome to Bistégs TV. Today, we've got a recipe that's sure to become a new family favorite, chicken pineapple. Picture this, tender, juicy chicken cooked in a creamy, savory sauce with just the right hint of tropical pineapple sweetness. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Chicken pieces with bones for that extra depth of flavor. Sliced potatoes and carrots for that hearty texture. Garlic and onions to get things going with some amazing aroma. Green peas, bell pepper, and a chicken cube, and the stars of the show. Evaporated milk, fish sauce, and of course, pineapple juice in chunks. Got it? All right, let's go. All right, let's get started by heating up some cooking oil in a pan. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add in our minced garlic. Now you'll want to let that garlic sizzle just until it turns a beautiful golden brown. It brings out this amazing rich aroma that fills the kitchen and sets the stage for our dish. Next, we're adding in our chopped onions. Give them a quick stir and let them cook until they're soft and translucent. The garlic and onions are really the backbone of our flavor here, so take a moment to enjoy that incredible smell. It's that perfect, warm start to our chicken pineapple recipe, and it makes the whole house smell fantastic. There's nothing like the aroma of garlic and onions cooking together. It's like a delicious preview of what's to come. Now it's time for the main ingredient, the chicken. We're using pieces with bones because that gives us a deeper, richer flavor. Go ahead and add them to the pan with our garlic and onions. Give it a good stir so each piece is coated with that fragrant base we just made. Now we'll cover the pan and let it cook for a few minutes. This helps lock in the flavors and gets the chicken nice and tender. The aroma is already amazing. All right, our chicken is cooking beautifully, so let's add in some hearty veggies now. First, we'll toss in our sliced potatoes and carrots. These add a wonderful texture and soak up all those delicious flavors as they cook. Now to kick things up a notch, we're adding a splash of fish sauce. It's that secret ingredient that gives our dish a savory, umami depth that really makes it stand out. Next, let's pour in the pineapple juice. But hold off on the chunks for now. They'll come in later. The juice adds a touch of sweetness that perfectly balances out the savory elements. And for a little bit of warmth, let's add some freshly ground pepper. Give everything a good stir so all the flavors start mingling together. Once it's well mixed, we're going to cover it up and let it cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The chicken and veggies start to absorb that sweet pineapple essence, while the potatoes and carrots become tender and full of flavor. You can already tell it's going to be delicious. Our chicken and veggies are looking fantastic, so now it's time to add some more layers of flavor. Let's start with the green peas. They'll add a lovely pop of color and a bit of sweetness. Next, we're pouring in some evaporated milk. This gives our dish that creamy, rich texture that makes the sauce velvety and smooth, coating everything beautifully. Now we'll add our bell peppers. They bring a fresh, slightly sweet crunch that's just perfect for this dish. And don't forget the chicken cube. This little ingredient is a powerhouse for adding depth, intensifying all the flavors we've built so far. Stir everything together to make sure it's all well combined and coated with that creamy sauce. We'll cover it up again and let it cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the chicken absorbs even more of that delicious sauce, while the veggies get perfectly tender. The evaporated milk adds such a beautiful creaminess, and you'll start to see the sauce thicken up and develop this incredible aroma. You can tell just by the smell that it's going to be amazing. Now for the finishing touch, our pineapple chunks. Adding them at this stage gives the dish that perfect balance of sweetness without overpowering the other flavors. Go ahead and gently stir them in, letting them warm through and blend with the creamy sauce. The pineapple adds such a refreshing tropical twist, making this dish truly unique. Just look at how everything has come together. The tender chicken, creamy sauce, and those juicy pineapple chunks. It's a perfect harmony of flavors. Our chicken pineapple is almost ready to serve, and I can already tell it's going to be a hit. And there you have it. Our delicious chicken pineapple is ready to serve. Just look at that vibrant color and creamy texture. It's truly mouthwatering. This dish is not just a feast for the eyes. It's bursting with flavor that combines savory chicken with the sweetness of pineapple, making it perfect for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes like this one. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures, and until next time, cheers. Thank you.